Assalamu alaikum. I hope all my brother and sister very well. Welcome back with another crypto related video. This video only review video, and I will show you this video uh, live withdraw from uh, this site. Okay, so please stay with me and keep watching my video. Before I introduce my YouTube channel name is Crypto and Travel News. Here is a two part. One part crypto related video uploaded in this site, and other part travel related video uploaded this site. If you get any information, please subscribe my channel and press the bell icon. You will receive all notification very fast. So if you have a core mining, if you want to increase your mining power, please join my Telegram group. My Telegram group name is 𝑮𝑰𝑭𝑚 𝑪𝑨𝑽𝑹 gift card exchange. So share your hash card and gift card in my Telegram group. Other option, you can collect your essential card from Telegram. Many of the people share their hash card and gift card in my Telegram group. Now any other related crypto related information available here, so you can join now my Telegram group and share your opinion. Okay, no restriction, no blocking. Share your BTCS invitation link. I hope you will get feedback from my channel. My channel already 132 members. So I request to you, please come to my YouTube channel and click the playlist option and click this core mining registration video. If you want to core mining, please see this all video. Here is a total 6-part video available here. So sorry, 9 part. So you can easily show this video and using your registration process. So I request you, please joining my YouTube channel and please keep mining this core mining. Now already 12 days your left. সো আপনারা যদি এখানে মাইনিং করেন তাহলে সেক্ষেত্রে আপনাদের জন্য খুবই ভালো হবে। আপনারা কোনো রকম আটকে গেলে এখান থেকে বের হয়। সো ইউ ক্যান ইজিলি ওয়েলকাম ফ্রম দিস ভিডিও। Okay, so now I go to my main topic. This site is name is X Tron Pro. This is the new old mining site. I also many time of withdraw from this site. So now I withdraw from this site, and after I reinvest this site. Okay, so now I withdraw from this site. I show you, and now I go to my wallet address. Here is my TRX balance 10. So when I withdraw this site, it will be 15. Okay, so I show you live withdraw from this site. So still okay, click this option, withdraw option. How amount this withdraw from this site. Okay, if you want to if you don't want to withdraw from this site, you can reinvest this site. Just click this option and reinvest, and your mining hash power is more increasing. Now I live withdraw from this site. Every time I also withdraw from this site. After 3 days or 2 days, uh, you can withdraw from this. Minimum withdrawal limit is 5 TRX. So I also live withdraw from this site. Okay, withdraw is completed. Okay, now is restarted now. Okay, my withdraw because is ongoing process. I waiting when I get this amount. Also it's processing time may only 5 to 10 minutes. If you waiting 5 to 10 minutes, you can easily receive. Sometimes 5 minutes, sometimes 6 minutes, sometimes 7 minutes. This will be made. Okay. Okay. It's very easy. You if you want to join this, you need to TRC 20 Tron address. Okay. It's easy process. So now it's so easy. Okay. Okay, I also waiting receiving. You will stay with me. Alhamdulillah, this payment withdrawal completed. So here is the hash card transaction ID show you. Now I show you my receive option. Here is my TRX. Okay, I receive this. I will show you. And now, but Tron scan my address is now, and also transaction ID is show here. So this site is real payout site. So if you want to invest this site, you can easily invest this site. So I also new investment in this site every time, so you can easily investment in this site. So you can reinvest or deposit this option. If you deposit this, you can show here is many type of method, and easily you choose this option. If you choose this option, send this address TRC 20 maybe. So also reinvest after few moments. Try to when 1 TRX I receive. Okay, so I also reinvest this amount. My hash power is show here. So 606. Okay, now reinvestment option, and okay, my hash power is maybe 7. Okay, 626. Okay, I hope this video is useful. It's a trusted site, so I request to you, please you can safely investment and safely withdraw from this site. So this site joining link I also add this video description. This click this option, very fast to join this site. So if you're thinking this video is useful, it's like this, and don't forget subscribe, and don't forget joining my Telegram group, and take every time remember to Allah, take care of yourself. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.